Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Vivo Nex. So I have finally got my hands on this smartphone after a long wait. So now first let's have a look at the box, and then we'll have a look at the internal products and the main device itself. So as you guys can see, it has got an highlighting of the smartphone over here on the borderline, and it has also got an inbuilt or in display fingerprint reader. As you guys can see over here, there is a light marking, a watermark you can say. So that's it over here. On this side you got the Vivo branding, nothing over here, same Vivo branding over here, that's it. On the back side it says ultra full view display, as it has got no notch or any bezels, and it has also got an elevating front camera or a pop-out camera you can say. It has got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chip, and it has got an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It comes in two variants, that is, one is 8GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. So it retails for around 47,990. I'll have the link to it in the description down below if you are interested and want to buy it. I'll have the latest pricing available. So now let's unbox it. So as you guys can see over here, it has got this smartphone sleeve, and it says over here fingerprint sensor. A third party screen protector might affect fingerprint recognition. Make sure you use an official Vivo screen protector with customized design for the fingerprint pad. So that's what it says, as it has got an inbuilt fingerprint reader. So let's keep this smartphone aside and have a look what else comes in the smartphone box. So over here this slides out like this. It has got an Vivo in-ear earbuds. This has got a huge power charging brick. As you guys can see, it has got a 5V or 10V. So it has a fast charging capabilities. It also comes with a hard TPU shell case with backside with a rubber so that it doesn't move and have a grip. It comes with the SIM tray and some paperwork. So let's remove the SIM tray and we'll have a look at the SIM tray in the smartphone. It has got Type-C charging cable, which is a nice thing. So now let's have a look at the physical overview of the smartphone. Let me boot it up itself. So over here it has got the SIM tray, which is located in some other position and not as the usual position of the other smartphones. So it has got two SIM slots, and it doesn't have any memory slot, as 128GB would be enough and wouldn't be any problem. Here you have the mic, the charging port, the speaker grills. On the side you have the power button and the volume rocker. On the top you get the 3.5mm headphone jack, the mic secondary, and here is a pop-out camera which I'm gonna show you in a second. And it has also got a extra button over here, so which we'll have a look at it in a second for what actually it is dedicated to. So now it has got on the back side a dual camera setup, a 112MP and a 15MP with the dual LED two-tone the color. So it has got an amazing display of 6.5-inch, and it has got a resolution of 1080. Just a second guys. Yeah, 1080 by 2316 pixels, and it has got an aspect ratio of 18 by 9, and it covers approximately 86% by screen to body ratio. That's nice to have such a big screen, and it's really bright and vibrant colors, as you guys can see. So it's running on the FunTouch OS, the Vivo actual theme which goes on over here, which I'm not as a big fan of it. So it has got 8GB RAM, which I've already told you all, and it has got and it was already released in June 2018, so which is not that far. It's just been 2 months. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo, which we'll have a look in a second. And I've already told you all about the camera. It has got a front-facing camera of 8 GB, and it is really very nice to have this big display. And as you guys can see, there is no fingerprint reader on the back or on the front, so it has got in the display. It has got a 4000 ampere battery, which is huge, and it's gonna last you all day, I'm sure about that. And it is available in 2 color, that's black and red. So I have in my hands that is the black color right now. So now first let's have a look at the settings and see which OS it's running on, which I have to tell you about. About phone, FunTouch OS, Android 8.1, RAM 8 GB, Vivo FunTouch OS. That's what I was telling you about. So as you can see, Android 8.1. That's nice. Now let's see the storage that you get. RAM and storage. So out of total 128 GB, you get approximately 108 GB. That's really nice, and it's enough for anyone, I think so. So now let's check out the camera. So this is the rear facing camera. So as you guys can see, the picture is really nice. It has have every detail for a 12 megapixel camera, and this it's really nice. So let's see what are the features you get. Take photo, video, AR stickers, and face beauty, panorama, and professional, where you can set everything: ISO, shutter speed, white balance, autofocus, all that. So it has got live photo, portrait mode, so you can adjust the aperture. So you can adjust the aperture according to you what you want. As you guys can see, it depends on the bokeh. As wide the aperture, that much the bokeh effect you will get it. So now let's turn the camera and see that pop-out camera. I'm really very excited. It's something new for me too. Oh. Hello guys. For an 8 megapixel camera, this is pretty good, I think. So it is making some kind of noise when you open the camera. Just hear it. I think you can customize that sound. I hope you guys heard that. So this looks pretty futuristic. I hope you also feel the same thing. So as you turn the camera, it automatically goes inside. So that's really a nice thing. And now let's see this button. So this button is dedicated for the Google Lens. As I have not connected to the Wi-Fi or the internet, it is not showing, but it is connected for the Google Lens in India. And I think you can change it in the settings, which I haven't checked it right now. So that's all guys for the Vivo smartphone, and let me know how you feel about this phone and your views according on this. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. and do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Bye bye. Peace.